The full text search capability we're adding to SpiceCRM is not only convenient for the end user and easy to use, it's also highly configurable. So if you go to the admin section, first in the system settings part, you have a new area where you configure the full text search engine, so the server, the index prefix which we are using for the indexing, and also the port, which by standard for Elastic is 9200. The second part you see is the Fts Manager, where you configure how specific modules are indexed. So just pick the modules. In our case, for example, look at the opportunities. So you see all the fields that are indexed and also specific settings on the indexed. You can add additional fields. So let's say in our example for the opportunity, we also have contacts allocated, and then contact has an email address. Then I can just take the email address and add this to the index. I say it's analyzed. We put a specific analyzer because it's an email. We are not putting an aggregate, so you see you can define the aggregates, the types, if it's analyzed, if it's searched by, whatever. So if we do that, we can just delete the complete index, put it, and then re-index from here. Basically the tools which we are setting for cleaning up the index. If you don't index from here for large data, you don't want to do that, then basically a background job is automatically doing this, or if you change ever an object, it's also automatically changed. So if you now go and, for example, let's see if that worked. So we have this as an email address allocated. If we go to the opportunities and now search by that, you see that we get 18 results for beans 37. And if you just pick one, you can definitely see that here it's not, and it's somewhere allocated. Or the beans, okay, the beans is allocated, so it finds it because of the beans, so it splits it up. So the reason why we filed our results. So as you can see, it's very easy to configure and also highly flexible. So you define really which fields from where in the whole relationship database you're using for the full text search, which we're using for the aggregates and others. So highly customized.